The problem that Sierrabolics is solving is the last mile in predictive data analytics. What happens in a process of predictive data analytics, you have your data, prep your data, and then do the predictive analytics, and then you generate the results. Big differentiator for Sierrabolics is we are the fastest predictive model generation in the industry. Because we are fastest, our model is very accurate and it's actionable, meaning you can take that model and embed that into a mobile, into a set-top box, or into any other devices. Currently, the software complete toolchain runs on a small PC or a laptop, and you can get your results in a minute. For example, some of the analysis that we did for cancer tumor, and we had about 53 variables. Out of 53, there were only 4 that were important, that mattered, and we were able to rank which variables are important and which one will impact the diagnosis of cancer. We've done similar things in genetics and other areas. Our IP is very unique. We use very low compute resources. We have our own proprietary machine learning engine, and we have a solution that works on cloud also now. So we have both on desktop, laptop, mobile, and cloud, and we basically, the whole process of analytics is automated, so you don't need a data scientist. Today, as you know, that there is a big shortage of data scientists. Here, in 4 steps, you can get an answer. The 4 steps are, you take your data, input that data into our software, and then decide on a goal. So, okay, I want to do diagnosis of this specific symptoms, and once you decide on a goal, you run the model, and then the model comes out, and the model then can be used to predict any outcomes. So it's very actionable. You can make a decision based on that model, and then you can reuse that model anywhere in the overall ecosystem. We have testimonials from several folks. It's been deployed in pharmaceutical industry for predicting quality of a drug manufacturing process. If you think about the drug manufacturing process, it takes about 30 days to manufacture a drug. So from start to finish, you don't know what your yields are going to be. Here, right from get-go, you can predict what your yields are going to be. You can model. You can also model what your supply chain will look like, which mix of suppliers are good for you, which mix are not. And I think that's where it's being used. Other places, it's being used in genetics. Genetics is a huge problem. You have genomes of thousands and thousands of genomes, and you need to pick which gene types are impacting certain type of diseases, and this software is able to do that for you and rank that variable. As far as the use of tool is concerned, you don't need training. I'm the board member of Sierrabolics, and I was not trained as a data scientist, but I can run any of the problems today, without any training. So really speaking, like I said, you don't need a data scientist to do this development. This does not also use any open source code, so it's all proprietary. It's all patented. So and like I said, it's very fast. You can get your results in minutes. So the key is for us is our software is pretty inexpensive. You can get this software. You can download this from our website, and you can see how it works in, like I said, in 4 steps. So that's what we have.